What's up, guys? It's Caleb from Element Case, and today we're unboxing the big dog, the brand new Black Ops Elite. At first glance, you can see that a case as premium as the Black Ops Elite comes with the packaging to match. The Black Ops Elite also comes with a tactical holster, featuring heavy-duty 600D nylon construction and a Velcro closure top. This easy carry, quick draw ready pouch protects your phone from the elements. The Black Ops Elite features a G10 reinforced backplate. CNC machined military-grade glass composite is used to create a chassis that resists twisting and bending. The Black Ops Elite is our first ever Black Ops to feature a mechanical kickstand that provides 35-degree viewing angles for landscape orientation. It works with or without the pocket clip. The Black Ops Elite comes with a deep pocket clip attachment that's PVD coated stainless steel with extended length for additional grip and deeper fit into pockets. The case can be used with the clip installed or not. Ten stainless steel screws secure the aluminum side rails to the drop shock body. The speed wrench tool is included. If the screws are fully loosened and will still not come out, it can help to use the tip of the Element Case tool to push the screw through from the other end. The Black Ops Elite features our drop shock body, an exclusive impact-absorbing 3-layer design made of aluminum, polycarbonate, and TPU. The Black Ops Elite exceeds military specification for drop test requirements. The side rails on the chassis of the Black Ops Elite are CNC machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, then bead blasted and hard anodized for a super tough stealth finish. The Black Ops Elite features fast tap buttons that are CNC machined and protect the iPhone controls while providing quick and easy use of the volume and on-off functions. That's it on the Black Ops Elite. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to elementcase.com.